Yesterday was a difficult day for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. But between all this hustle, there was one coin in the top 10 which was making its all-time high. And that coin is Cardano or ADA. Now, if you have been following our channel or have been a part of our community, you would be knowing that we are a big Cardano bull. So in today's video, we are going to do a technical analysis of Cardano and also try to give a price prediction for Cardano in the future as well as for this complete bull run. So stay tuned.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss more about cryptocurrencies, then head over to Telegram and join us at Crypto Bulls Club. The link is given in the description below. Now, let's move on to the charts. So we are on the ADA/USD chart and we are on the daily time frame. So last 3 weeks ADA has been absolutely crushing it by moving about 75-76% in the last 3 weeks. So it has been going pretty well. Now let's take a look at the daily chart and we'll try to find out what are some of the key resistance and support areas. So we are currently on the daily chart, and one of the things that comes to my notice immediately is the beautiful structure in the charts. What do I mean by the structure? So we tend to go up, then correct a bit, then build the base, go up, correct. This thing keeps on happening right from the 1st of February. Okay, so from February till May, this coin has been actually treating this 20-day SMA and this 21-day EMA as a good support level, as well as sometimes we actually corrected below them. That proved to be a good buying opportunity for us. For example, the last time we went below these levels was on 18th of April and we remained there till the 26th of April. So approximately 9 days or so, and these 9 days proved to be an extremely good buying level for Cardano. Now let's take a quick look on the fib retracement and try to find out what are the key support and the key resistance areas. So approximately Cardano made around $1.98 high. In some exchanges it hit $2, but yeah, on the majority of them it was at around $1.98, $1.97. Right, so major support. So currently we are actually correcting for today and it is at around $1.75, which is a support. Now that sounds ridiculous, right? Because Cardano about 5 or 6 months back was trading at around 10 cents, 12 cents. Personally, for me, I bought Cardano when it was around 13 or 14 cents back in November. So it actually sounds very ridiculous to say that the next support region for Cardano is at $1.75. So we are already up approximately 15x from November, at least from my buying price. Now, apart from these levels, if we break below this, then our support would be the $1.57, which we have held very well since 7th of May till this time as well. So we broke above the $1.57 on the 6th May. After that, we held it as support for 3, 4, 5 days at a stretch wherein we tried breaking below it, but the buying pressure was too much on those levels, which brought it up to these levels again. Now the next thing that we are going to look at is the stochastic RSI on the weekly chart, and we are going to see how the momentum is playing out for a Cardano USD. So as far as the stochastic RSI is concerned, it's doing excellently. As we can see here, the blue line and the red line have both entered in this zone over 20. So this indicates a very strong momentum, and especially if it's on the weekly charts, it's actually takes us to absolutely new highs, new record levels as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to just measure what happened the last time we entered in this zone above this 20 level. So for that, we are gonna just measure how much percentage we grew by. We are not saying that we are going to grow by the same percentage, but at least that will give us some estimation as to what is the capability for Cardano to grow. So the last time we entered in this zone was on 9th of November. So from 9th of November, we stayed here till the 1st of March. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, from 9th March up to, we are gonna draw till 9th of November, up to the 1st of March, we went a massive 1240%. Now, I'm not saying that we are gonna go 1240% once more, or I'm not saying that it will not go. What I am trying to say is that's the possibility for Cardano to grow once we enter into this zone. Now let's take just a wild guess and say that if it grows even by 25% of what it did. Okay, so let's say we grow by approximately 310% or 300% also from these levels. So we entered this zone on this week of 26th of April. So from 26th of April, what we are going to do is we are going to just take 300%. This is, again, mind you, this is very like dubious extrapolation that we are trying to do and just measure what is the possibility for Cardano to grow. So 300% takes us at around $4.37. So that's, I think, the minimum that Cardano will be achieving as far as this particular market cycle is concerned. But if we are to talk about the next key level of resistance for Cardano, then I think that will be at around $2, the psychological level of $2. That would be the first level of resistance. Then, so the next level of resistance would be at around $2.66. I believe $2.50 would also prove to be a psychological number, but then the major resistance would be at around $2.66. And if I have to talk about support, the major support will be at around the $1.58 if we tend to break below this $1.75. Now, one of the important things on the weekly chart for Cardano is, so we have actually traded above the bull market support band right from December. Okay, so the last time we actually tested this bull market support band was in December. Don't consider this wick. This was a flaw in Kraken exchange, so I'm using Kraken, so we'll not consider this wick. And so the last time we tested it was at around December, so it's been approximately 5 months since we have tested. Don't be surprised if we test the bull market support band once more in the near future. Again, I'm not saying that we are going to do that, but that's very much on the cards as well. One other thing which is on the cards is basically because of Bitcoin dumping this particular week, I am refraining myself, stopping myself from buying any altcoins at the moment, because Bitcoin is currently trading at around the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, which is the bull market support band. If we are able to treat that as a support, it's all well and good. But if we close this week below the bull market support band, I strongly feel the altcoins are gonna bleed very badly. So again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research about investing. If you're confused about how to do your own research, we made a video on it, so you definitely can click the icon above my head and you can actually view that. Now, let's take a quick look on the similarities between the chart of Cardano and the chart of Ethereum. For that, we'll go to the Cardano USD daily chart, and I also have the Ethereum USD daily chart as well. There's something very interesting that I want to show to you. So from 25th of April right up to 3rd of May, Ethereum went on a massive move. That is the time when we crossed above the $3,500 level. Obviously, we crossed above the $4,000 level as well later, but this was the major move as well. So let's take a look at how Cardano was actually reacting, and I want to actually show you a correlation between Ethereum movement and Cardano. So our date was basically from 25th April. On 25th of April, we were actually at the bottom. As we can see here, we were below this 20-day SMA and the 21-day EMA. But the thing that I want to highlight to you here is Cardano either moves sideways or it corrects when Ethereum is on a parabolic rise. Now, this is just one data point. I will be able to show you a few other data points as well. For example, these dates from 25th of March or 26th of March up to this time, up to the 2nd of April. Let's take a quick look on that as well, how Ethereum was performing, or sorry, Cardano was performing. So as I was mentioning, right, from 26th March, Ethereum went on an absolute massive ride, but look at how Cardano was performing. It was actually moving sideways during those time period. More recent example would be the last couple of days wherein Ethereum has been correcting, that is on the 12th and the 13th of May. Just take a look how we moved on the 13th. Okay, so it was actually very crazy move from Cardano. Okay, so this is just a correlation. When Ethereum grows, Cardano actually stays still or corrects a bit, but when Ethereum stops or moves sideways, that is the time when Cardano actually takes off. Now let's take a quick look on the Cardano BTC chart, and I want to show you something very interesting over here as well. Now the Cardano BTC chart, one of the major local tops that we had, or resistance lines if we can call it, was the level of 3857 satoshis. That is where our local top was based again in 2018. And here also, like yesterday itself, like this week itself, we have been able to check that, and we got rejected from those key levels as well. Now on the Cardano Bitcoin chart, what we are seeing is we actually went below the 21 EMA and the 20 SMA, that is the bull market support band, and we came above it on only the 4th of January. We again tested it on the 1st of February. So this is a much healthier way, a much healthier chart to look at. The way Cardano has been performing, it's been around 4 months since we have tested it. So if Bitcoin corrects to certain degrees or stays still, then I believe Cardano would be moving upwards, and we might soon be breaking above this level of 3800 satoshis, 38 or 50 level on this chart. Now let's take a quick look on the key support and the resistance areas. So for that, we'll draw the fib retracement. Our next major support for Cardano would be at around the zone of 2200 satoshis, approximately 2230. If we are to go above this level, then probably we are gonna look at the new level of 6089 satoshis, which can again prove to be a key resistance for us. Now let's take a quick look on the daily chart, and I want to show you the RSI which is on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, as you can see, this is a very healthy pattern that we are forming right from the 16th of March. So we had correction where we bottomed out at about 41 level on the RSI on the daily, but since then we have been making a great move towards the 100 mark. We currently have a resistance at around the 80. So as you can see, we got rejected over here on 80 and on here as well on 80. So if we are able to cross above it, then I believe then we'll be able to cross this important resistance or key level on the Cardano BTC chart. Now let's take a quick look on the Cardano Ethereum chart as well, and there are a couple of important regions that I want to show it to you. So from 1st of February till 22nd of February, basically the first 3 weeks of February, Cardano went on a parabolic rise against Ethereum, rising from 25,870 levels to about 97,860, almost a 300% increase in just a period of 21 days, as you can see. But then again, after that, we got a very healthy correction, and from the tops of 100,000 level, we actually corrected all the way down to 38,000. That was a correction of about 63%. Now, if you have been following our channel and following our videos on how to choose an altcoin or what could be a healthy chart for altcoin, this is actually a very healthy correction, and now we are again on our way up, and currently at the levels of the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA. We are just about there. So the 20-week SMA is at around 41,183 and we are currently at 49,164. Now the key level to watch out for on the Cardano Ethereum chart is the range between this 52,800 to about 58,000 level, because we have been trading in this zone for 3 times in the past. As you can see, back the first time we actually treated this as a resistance was at around the April of 2018, then again in April 2019, Same thing happened in July 2020, and once we actually went past it in February, and now we are again trying to enter in this zone. So this will be a critical level to look out for in the Cardano Ethereum chart as well. Now, as we know that Elon Musk has actually tweeted about Bitcoin, and they are actually going to stop accepting Bitcoin as a payment and looking for alternate solutions. The Cardano Foundation actually tweeted this very interesting graphic about the similarities on the Cardano and Tesla. Okay, so founded by engineers, sustainability, which is very important, unique solutions, scalability, similar things for scalability, unique solutions. So they have actually just reversed the pattern for Cardano and Tesla, and they have the headline of this tweet is Cardano and Tesla an obvious match. So if Tesla tweets anything or decides to go with Cardano, again, I don't know about the chances, I can't say much about the chances, but if they decide to do that, then that could be a huge catalyst for Cardano to actually break above the $10 mark as well. That is very, very important. By the way, this is my Twitter. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter, I don't generally do this, but if you'd like to follow me on Twitter, you can do that by clicking the link in the description given below as well. So that's pretty much it about today's video. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also join our Telegram channel wherein we'd like to discuss about cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.